engineer.
Tell me why you want to work here.
I feel that my experience could be a great fit for the job. I am seeing it a way to advance my career.
Okay. Describe your work style.
Analytic, adaptable, strategic, organic, collaborative, and a focus continue on improving.
What interests you about this job?
Because this opportunity give my the chance to grow on a personal and professional level. I really feel that my experience are a good fit for the vacancy.
What can you contribute to this company?
Continuous improvement, process automation, project manager, creative and marketing strategy.
Are you the best person for this job? Why?
I am a result-oriented in the industrial engineer, capable of analyzing complex data, industrial studying, human factor and the work, and collective technical strategy the company financial objectives.
What is your greatest strength?
Because of company advanced technical skill, immediate adaptability, and collaborative problem-solving approach. My ability to process complex information and skill that split and efficient.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
My name is David and I'm here for the job opportunity.
Forward. Tell me when you can to the work here.
I want to work here because I like the company environment and I want to gain experience while improving my skills.
Describe your work style.
My work style is organized and responsible. I like to finish my tasks on time and work well with other people.
What interests you about this job?
I am interested in this job because it gives me the opportunity to learn new things and work professionally.
What can you contribute to this company?
I can contribute with my responsibility, positive attitude, and willingness to learn and help the team.
Describe yourself here.
I am responsible, friendly, and hardworking person. I always try to do my best in everything I do.
You are the best the person for this job with.
Because I am motivated, responsible, and willing to learn quickly and improving every day.
What is your great strength?
My greatest strength is that I learn fast and adapt easily to new situations. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
My name is David and evening.
Tres.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
My name is David and I'm here for the job opportunity.
Forward.
With other people.
What can you contribute to this company?
Esa no es la pregunta.
Chick, don't get